Thank you for coming. Maraming salamat sa pumunta dito. And masaya ka na. Have a nice evening. Thank you.
They will compete with each other, showing their talents, beauty and intelligence.
Ni Tony Boy Puhanco. Ako po si Gretchen Parento na nagsasabing paano niyo pang damo kung sinupa ko ng kabayan.
In front of you is a 21 years old stunner. Our taking of Bachelor of Science in Major Speech Pathology at nasunod ng pamantasan ng Manila. But tonight, please to allow me stand by the ring, the one and only and the sexiest and the prettiest international actress, Miss Angelina Jolie. Bago ko po iwanan ng apat na sulok na itablado nito, hayaan niyo ako mag-iwan ng mga katagang ani mo pa ang damo kung patay na ang kabayo. Tingnan niyo mga katabi niyong guwapo kung hindi naman marunong mga bayo.
Ako po ang nagpatibok sa puso ni Ilmas Bectas at ang babaeng glamuroso sa nagbabagong bulaklak at ang Daniela Salvete Lapea. Once again, the one in your Charmaine Rupa Gutierrez. Nag-iiwan ng kasang kasabihan. Ang mga batang makukulit, pinapalo sa puwet. Kaming mga bakla makukulit, tinutusok sa puwet.
Standing in front of you is a 29 years stunner who hailed from the beautiful city of Nukovin, Mars. This pretty young lady, nagmula pa po sa bakurang ng GMA7. This is your one and only, your buba herself, Miss Rupa May Quinto.
My name is Lito Medina Villafuerte, 39 years old. Where being gay in this society is not to diminish our humanity. Our only purpose in living is to love and to be loved, to contribute and be prosperous. At Laika Raimundo sa pantaseryeng Lobo ng ABS-CBN at ang nagpatibok sa puso ni Phil Young Husband. Ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan at isigaw, Miss Angel Locsin.
Life's not worth a damn till you can say I am what I
For that wonderful question. I do believe that if I became a president of the nation, is that I will help less fortunate people and help homosexual to have a good job and have a good life.
Para sa akin, kung ako magiging babae, siguro pipiliin ko yung aking ina, maging isang nanay ko. Kasi siya yung nagsilang sa akin, siya yung nagbigay ng buhay sa akin, siya yung nagbigay ng magandang pangarap sa akin. Kaya nandito ako ngayon sa iyong harapan. Maraming salamat po.
I believe that being a gay, the sex saints married become the happiness about the situation, your relationship. For definitely, my answer, I am not agree to the same-sex marriage. So right now, whether you like it or not, I'm in Denmark because Denmark 100% respect the saints marriage. And that's to be all. Thank you.
Thank you, Kevin. I want to be a Carabao. Why? Because Carabao is very diligent, very industrious person just like me. That would be all. Thank you.
Alright. Again, why do you have to win on this pageant or competition?
I think I have a talent, I have my personality, and I have my beauty. And I think I am deserving to be with.
Number 2, Miss Angelina Jolie. Number 3,
much, Miss Rufa May Quinto. Moving on, candidate number 5. See. Candidate number 4, Miss Rufa May Quinto. Okay, our best in long gown goes to candidate number 3, Miss Rufa Gutierrez. There you go. FDC garnered an average score of 8.6. It's none other than candidate number 5. Miss Agency in the title of the first Miss Gay FDC is candidate number 3, Miss Rufa Gutierrez.
And my name is Gemma. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Mabuhay and have a pleasant evening.